Here we go. This episode, we'll be restoring this car that's widely recognized as the world's fastest, mass-produced gasoline car, capable of reaching a top speed of 490 kilometers per hour, RM, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport, 300 plus. While this fastest title still has some differing opinions, Bugatti being expensive is undisputed. After all, when I was young, I also had a pipe dream of buying a Bugatti Lego model when I grew up. Enough talk. This episode, we'll follow the car model restoration master Westovation, Kamakurova, to perfectly restore this completely damaged Bugatti Chiron supercar model with maximum luxury. After dismantling the engine, we can move on to the restoration phase. First, we need to handle the old paint layers on the exterior shell. After using a steel brush to scrape off the loose paint, we then use paint removal gel to eliminate the remaining stubborn residue. After completing the paint removal work, he selected 240 grit sandpaper to sand the exterior surface once. This step can completely remove pressure marks, scratches, and other defects, while creating a better foundation for subsequent paintwork. Next, spray a layer of gray-white primer. For the top coat, it will use large area contrasting colors according to the original car. One color he chose is black, mixing basic clear coat with main black paint to create a high-quality black glossy top coat. For the other color, he chose this brilliant gold with strong metallic feel. The previous full-body glossy black coating can also provide better coloring ability for this metallic type. Of course, if you ask about price, this metallic paint costs about $7.50 for 30 milliliters. Finally, outlining the door frames a bit completes the entire paintwork. How do you feel about this paint effect? Doesn't it feel completely renewed? The next step is to handle the interior and chassis parts. First, of course, they need a major cleaning. After cleaning, since the parts aren't damaged, he'll do some work to enhance the overall texture. First, naturally, is his favorite felt carpet. Like this, through adhesive and these short, fine fibers, to create a felt effect like a real car. In reality, this felt layer has sound dampening and dust filtering functions, but in this model it's mainly to eliminate the large area plastic feel. Additionally, for this gold seat to eliminate the plastic feel, he'll apply some eyeshadow powder to areas where the seat frequently rubs to increase shine and simulate reality. Of course, as a mature safety seat, it also needs to be equipped with a safety belt. Then install the processed gold center armrest, and next we can handle the center console dashboard part. For these parts, it's mainly some detail-related work, not requiring major modifications, mainly just looking harmonious and pleasing. At the beginning, we mentioned whether this Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus is the fastest mass-produced gasoline car remains controversial. Its main point of controversy is not conducting bidirectional testing. It only conducted unidirectional high-speed testing at Germany's Aare-Lessien track, achieving the widely publicized speed of 490 kilometers per hour. As for why bidirectional testing must be emphasized, because unidirectional testing is easily affected by wind direction, slope, road surface conditions, and other factors that could increase or decrease speed performance. This is also the main reason why this record wasn't entered into the Guinness World Records. In the Guinness World Records, the fastest mass-produced gasoline car is the Koenigsegg Agera RS. It achieved a speed of 447 kilometers per hour in 2017. Therefore, we can say this Bugatti is actually the fastest running car, but not the officially certified fastest car. After the explanation, for the air intakes on both sides of the vehicle, he'll use this mesh as an intake barrier. Stacking two meshes offset like this can create a grid pattern similar to a radiator grille. This method is quite clever. Additionally, the front storage compartment here is also treated with felt on the surface. How does it look? The overall texture looks very impressive. Next to install is this Process W16 quad turbo engine with maximum power of 1,500 horsepower, maximum torque of 1,600 torque, and 8-liter displacement. Regarding this W16 architecture, actually watching the video you can guess, we can understand it as two V8 twin-turbo engines connected together. Next to install is the entire rear section and the variable rear wing. Actually watching the entire video, for parts processing, he cut out a lot. After all, most are similar paint treatment processes. Although this doesn't affect the overall restoration quality, we just feel something is missing when we look at it. Now combining the upper and lower parts, finally processing the tires and installing them. So this completely damaged Bugatti Chiron Supercar model, considered the world's fastest mass-produced gasoline car, has officially completed restoration. Now, let's follow the camera to review the before and after restoration comparison. So this restoration video episode ends here. Thank you all for watching. If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and share. Once again, thank you all for coming to Max's Restoration Realm. Goodbye.